Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by ensuring your laptop meets the basics: a modern OS, working mic, and a signed-in Google account. Open Chrome now. Make sure you grant microphone access when the browser asks. Once done, enable Chrome Sync so your preferences and settings follow you. This step matters because Google Assistant ties to your account, so permissions and sign-in get the assistant hearing and responding. If you use Chrome OS, you're already closer. On Windows, focus on Chrome and mic permissions first. Next, enable Google Assistant within the Google app or Chrome settings. You'll find an Assistant section. Turn it on. Link your laptop as a device and set up voice match so it recognizes your voice. Say, "Hey Google," to test responsiveness. Make sure default services are set: calendar, email, and music, so Assistant can act on requests. Also, review privacy controls and history settings. They affect personalization. This configuration is central. It connects Assistant features to the... Now you're ready to use commands. Try alarms, reminders, sending email drafts, or controlling windows by voice. Speak clearly. Use short phrases for speed, but combine details when you need precision. If Assistant stops responding, check mic sensitivity and Chrome's permissions. Quitting and reopening Chrome often restores audio access. If problems persist, make sure your Google account is active, Assistant is enabled, and Chrome is up to date. Then reboot the laptop. That final restart resolves most lingering issues and gets you back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.